Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Travis, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure router on a stick or how to route between VLANs. So if you watched my previous video, we went through how to set up VLANs on a Cisco switch. And today I'm going to show you how you can route traffic between those VLANs with the router on a stick method, which is the preferred method that Cisco wants you to know for the CCNA exam. So let's take a look at our network real quick and go over how everything is set up. So down here we have three PCs, PC0, PC1, PC2, and they're all in their appropriate VLANs and subnets. So we have three VLANs, 100, 101, and 102, and our subnets are 100, 101, and 102, all are /24s. So what we're going to be doing to allow PC0 to talk to PC2 and PC1 talk to PC2 and so forth is we're going to be using what's called router on a stick. So I've gone through and I've pre-configured my switch, and let's take a look at the config real quick. So right here, interface 1 is on VLAN 100. Interface 2, Fast Ethernet 2, is on 101. And Fast Ethernet 3 is on 102. And then if we look at our Gigabit 01 port, you'll notice that it is a trunk port, and we allow VLANs 100 through 102 on that. So that's important, and that's going to lead us into the next step, which is configuring our router. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our router here, and I'm just going to move this off to the side so we can see our configuration information here. So let's go into config T, and we want to modify gig 00. So now there's a few different things that we have to do with gig 00. First off, it's currently in a shutdown state, but we want no IP address because what we're going to be doing is using sub interfaces. But because by default routers leave the link in a shutdown state, we need to bring it up. So I'm just going to simply issue no shut. And you can see that the line has come up. So now I'm going to exit and I'm going to go to interface gig 00.100. So sub interface, and we're going to do encapsulation .1q, and we're going to put 100, and we're going to do IP address oops 255 and issue a no shut. So let's talk about this really quick because I'm going to do this for the other two as well. So right here, int gig 0/0.100, and this just creates a sub interface of our gig 0/0 interface. The .100 is the interface number. So we could really make this whatever we want, but best practice is you should make this match your VLAN tag. So because we have VLAN 100, and this interface is going to be for VLAN 100, we call it gig 0/0.100. You'll notice that the line comes up, and what we need to do before we do anything else is we need to set encapsulation .1q and our VLAN tag. In this case it's 100, and then we can give it an IP address. So I gave it 192.168.100.1, and that is a /24, and for good measure, no shut. So same thing, we're going to repeat this process. So int gig 0/0.101, and same thing here, we're going to do encap.1q and our VLAN tag is 101. And we're going to do IP address 192.168.101.1, 255.255.255.0, no shut. And again, int gig 0/0.102, encapsulation .1q 102, and IP address 192.168.102.1 and 255.255.255.0. All right, so now we have our router interfaces all set up. And if we do a show IP route, you're going to see that the router has routes because each of these networks are directly connected to the router. So one of the things that you'll notice that we did is that we didn't set an IP address on the 0.0 interface on our router. And that's intentional. That's because right now we just don't have any management interface on there, or we don't have a management network, and we're just only caring about our VLANs. So now let's take a look at one of our PCs. So this is PC 1, and I'm going to go to command prompt, and I'm going to type in ping 192.168.102.100. There we go. We have pings. You'll notice that at first the request times out, and that's normal. So basically what's going on there is that the PC is talking to the switch, and then the switch is trying to figure out what's going on. So it realizes that its trunk port is connected to the router, so then it sends that traffic out to the router, and then the router establishes a connection and is sending the traffic back to the switch and then back to VLAN 102. So that's router on a stick essentially. So now that we did that, if I close out of there and we go back to PC 2 and I go to command prompt and type in ping 192.168.100.100, you're going to see it comes through a lot faster this time. That's because all the tables have been built, the ARP's there, and it's just faster for the connection to be established. So that is router on a stick, and that is how you can route between VLANs. Please leave a comment on this video if it helped you out, or if you have any questions, and I will do my best to answer them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want more networking videos, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.